Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find referral code in GCash. If you can find the refer friend option in your GCash profile, don't worry. There's another quick way to get your referral code. Sometimes this feature is hidden or temporarily disabled depending on your account verification, location, or how long you've been using GCash. But here's the trick. Open your GCash app and tap Send Money, then choose Express Send. Now type in a random mobile number starting with 09. Make sure it's not an actual GCash user. Once you see the Invite Friends option pop up, you're on the right track. Tap it, then select More Options and choose Copy to Clipboard to get your referral link. You can paste it anywhere, like your notes, and you'll see your referral code at the end of the link right beside the letter R. You can share just the code, but it's usually better to send this entire link to make sure it works smoothly. That's how you can easily find your GCash referral code. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.